Everyone's tired, but here's the reality. COVID restrictions are lifting, the virus is surging, and hospitalizations are rising.
Everybody right now, I think, should still wear their mask and keep those layers of measures.
New federal models reveal an expected but clear uptick in cases. Of course, the hope is hospitalizations won't spike and COVID deaths will remain low. But doctors point out a high rate of Omicron cases and its new subvariant will lead to a new wave of patients.
We won't see a lot of deaths, but it's still going to hammer our healthcare system.
Even though over 80% of Canada's population is now vaccinated, millions aren't. The unvaccinated continue to have the highest hospitalization rates, followed by those who've had 2 shots, and data shows 3 doses further reduces your chances of ending up in a hospital.
Clearly, this is not gone, but in many people's minds, it's gone, or we want it to be gone, and therefore we're moving on.
Provinces are winding down testing and case reporting.
I think people just assume, okay, well, the government says it's okay, so COVID's pretty much gone.
Lindsay Arsenault couldn't believe how quickly her children and husband became infected after restrictions lifted.
We've been good for 2 years, and all of a sudden we have, household full of COVID.
Experts insist immunity from vaccines and infections is protective, but it will wane.
Progress will not be linear, and that there will likely be more bumps along the way, including resurgence in cases this spring and likely also in the fall and winter.
Health officials say their goal is to maintain a balance. The virus is still here and variants remain a wild card, but vaccines and masking can still help Canadians safely ride out this wave. Christine Burak, CBC News, Toronto.